Madison, where are you going in my shoes? Kenzie is shy. Get out that kitchen, dragging my headscarf all across the floor. Stop. Madison. Mackenzie. Kenzie. Do you hear me talking to you, little girl? Turn that light off. Maybe she won't, well, I don't know. Ms. Rough and Tough will probably go in there anyway. Yeah, that's the right way. Kenzie. Say hello. Say hello. Kenzie, what are you doing?
Hello.
What are you doing?
Hello. Yeah?
Kenzie.
Take a picture on me. Take a picture on me.
Kenzie, what are you doing?
I want to see. Do you see Maddie? She's there.
See, I see you. Why are you all up on the camera? Your hair is a mess. No. Kenzie, hey! I'm trying to tell you, and it's too late now. Good. Hey, get my thing off the floor. I do have to sleep in that. I'm dragging it all across the floor.
Biting.
Gracias. Kenzie. Kenzie, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're not going to answer me? Okay. Kenzie, you're not supposed to stand on it or sit your big butt on it.
I say, excuse me? Big butt. Get off the couch with those. Hey, get out of the... that man's going to come and get you. I'm telling you right now that... Your booty cheeks ain't up.
She said you fired. No pinching. Madison, hey Maddie, it's about that time. It's about that time. Oh.
Got your nose ready.
Hey. Oh, that's sweet. I got that on camera. Lovely. Aww. How sweet. No, I mean, you can come in here. What? Why, were you finna do something? Fighting 1 minute, loving each other the next.
Okay, ready? This is our new movie. Ready?
making her mad.
You get on my nerves.